here. So we're going kayaking, guys, and I came close because of the speaker. The speaker, the microphone, whatever. So we're going kayaking, guys, here in Diani Beach. We're in Ukunda, and this is Congo River. So we're going kayaking, yay, at We Are Campo. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel at We Are Campo. If you're new here, welcome so much, and come go with us kayaking here at Diani Ukunda. Thank you. Okay, here's our captain. In sunsets. Bye, we're chasing sunsets. Chasing sunsets, as you can see. Our okay, so this is Captain Subi, guys. Remember to check him out when you come to Congo River. And actually this place is scary because it's against the
So we're enjoying this boat ride, going up against the current. Not exactly a very convenient way of boating and rowing, but the view is worth it. The sun behind us, chasing sunset. The Congo River, where the fresh water, the river meets with the ocean. Saltwater ocean.
salt water mixed with the salt water. Huh?
Fresh water mixed with the salt water.
So our Captain Subi has a history lesson for us about the Congo River.
Yes, miaka ya zamani watu walikuwa wanaabudu mzimu kwa jina Congo. Congo alikuwa ni mnyama mwenye wanawake walikuwa wakimwamini kama Mungu wao. Kwa sababu wanawake wengi waliokuwa na matatizo waliponywa na huyo bwana, kama matatizo ya uzazi, ya familia. Na Congo ilikuwa ni jini mwenye anapatikana kwenye sehemu tofauti tofauti za mto wa Kongo, bahari ya Kongo na mapango ya Kongo.
So guys, that was the history, as you've heard by our captain Subi here, was explained to us the history of Congo River. I think as a Christian, it is really my place to rename this place and just reclaim it for the Lord. And because the Bible says the earth is the Lord and its fullness thereof, this place has a lot of serenity. It is beautiful, and we're not going to attach it to witchcraft and all that was going on a long time ago. So we're just going to think of a name that we're going to call this place that will be wonderful for us Christians. What can we call it, babe? What do you think?
Yes, so we can call this place, I don't know, Serenity River, although Serenity seems to be a common name. It's so peaceful,
name.
And you can see beautiful, right? The mangroves, those are mangroves, I believe. They're trees that grow on the banks of rivers like this. And the sun has finally set. Wow, look at that picturesque view. Wow. Yes, marriage has its ups and downs, but definitely it's the sweetest thing on earth. The only expression given by God to man to reveal the mystery of the union with the church, of the church to Jesus Christ.
You know, moments like this, we take time just to think of us as us and not as parents of the children and all that, because when you are married and with children and at that age, your marriage can become all about, you find yourself, your marriage is all about the children. Yes guys, to all my married couples there, please take time off and just be the two of you and just enjoy each other, especially when the children come. I'm telling you, it is hard to find time for yourselves, and this time just we take time to reflect on us, love on each other, remind each other why we love each other, and you know, just get the feelings going again. Not that they're left, but just to rekindle everything and feel like newlywed couples. I personally believe that you can always feel like a newlywed, like always, every day. You don't have to live a boring married life, routine life, and let your life just be all about children and your problems and bills and what else do married couples do? Like just making it boring. But anyway, these are the times, these are the moments. Create them, make time for them. There's never a right time, but just make time and live life, guys. Live life. Life is for the living. Love you, babe.
Love you too.
So guys, thank you for being with us on this ride. It was wonderful. We enjoyed it. It was a peaceful time, and we chased our sunset until the sun set. Guys,
Check out Captain Subi when you're around at Diani, Congo River. Captain
Congo River.
Thank you.